Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rina. Today we're going to look at percentiles and quartiles. We're going to see why they exist, what's the importance of them. So let's start with percentiles. So percentile. So in fact, what is percentile? What is percentile? In fact, percentile it is a value below which a certain percentage of observation lie. So in English it's quite confusing. We'll take an example for that. But let's write the definition. So percentile it is a value. It is a value. Value below which a certain percentage of observation lie. Okay, so for instance, let's take an example so that you can understand better what we mean by this definition. Let us say we take an example. We take a data set. Okay, you have a data set. You have different figures in this data set. So let us say we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 3 more 8s, 9, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12. Okay, so in all we have I think 10 figures here. Okay, 10 figures. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. Okay, 20 figures here. 20. So let us say our first question here is, what is the percentile ranking of 10? What is the percentile ranking of 10? Okay. Now for this we actually have a formula. Like in statistics, we always have a formula. And we have to use this formula to answer this question. So it says, what is the percentile ranking of 10? Where do you see number 10? Number 10 is here, right? It's here, number 10. Let's put a round figure here, right? It's number 10. It's here. Okay. Now, what is its ranking? What is the percentile ranking of this number 10? So normally the formula that we use here is number of values below x. Okay, below x, where x is our number 10, divided by the number of values that we have by n times 100 to get the percentage. So here what happens, our x is 10, right? So let's apply the formula. So number of values below x. How many numbers do we have below x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? So we have 16 values which are below x divided by the number of values that we have, and here is equal to 20. We have 20 values in all in this data times 100, right? So what is it? We have 80%. So what does this 80% represent? It says that 80% of values from the dataset are below number 10. Okay, or below number 10. So this is what it means. This is the ranking of 10. So 80% of values from this data set, okay, because this is the example we used, from the data set above or below 10. Let us say below number 10, okay? Because, why do I say number 10? Because we could have had values, big values before 10. Here we're taking number 10 as x, okay? It's not about the number itself, it's about what it represents in the dataset. So if you see well here, we could have had values such as 20, 13 or 19, anything here. So we have to say well that this value as 10 in this dataset, 80% of values in this dataset are below that number 10. Good. This is percentile. Now let's take another question. For instance, let's take this question. What value exists at percentile ranking of 25%? Here the percentile ranking is given to you. Here also we have a formula that we use. So what value exists at percentile ranking of 25%? You have to find this value in this dataset. Before we had the value and found the percentile, here we have to know, we have the ranking, the percentile ranking, we have to know the value. So for this data set, we have for this question, we have a formula. Okay. The formula to find the value. The formula is value percentile divided by 100. Okay. So this divided by 100 times n plus 1. Okay. So here if we calculate it here, it's 25% times 20 plus 1, right? Which is 5.25. And something to know, this 5.25, okay, it's not actually the value. It is what is it? It is the index position. We haven't found the value yet. This is the index position in this data set. So we're going to take this to be able to find the value. So 5.25, when you see the index position, 5.25, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5.25 is somewhere here, right? It's somewhere here. So what is the value at this point? What is the value? How to calculate this value? It's just like the median that we did. When something is in the middle of two numbers, we say 5 plus 5 divided by 2 is 5. This is where you get the value. So in index position, we saw that it was between two fives. So 5 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 5. So this is the value for 25th percentile. Percentile, okay? So I hope you understood a bit about percentile. How is it calculated? What does it mean in the data set? This is very important to know what you're looking for, in fact. This is the gap that many people have in mathematics or statistics. They don't understand what they are looking for. They're just doing calculations. They're just doing some operations without understanding. So in order to understand these operations, to understand these formula, it's important to know what you're looking for. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.